Today we are doing Sacalabra. So that is the end of the 300k ride. Just loving it, absolutely loving it. The views, there's people cheering us. It is 10:30. It is the day of the 400. 20 to 1, and we're just having a little lie down on the forecourt. My little hat on. And it is bliss because I felt really sick. Oh, to celebrate. 5k to graduate and then graduating challenge. This is the bit that I was most scared about. And look what they had on the back of the van. Go, go, Katie Kookaburra! This ride is amazing. We're at 306k and I am flagging. The French Alps! Just feeling tired. So it was like 409k total. So we're at the start of the tap. This view. Wow, this is where we're going to be riding today. Oh my god, I'm so happy! And look at the view! The view, the view, the view! Here I am at the beautiful Land's End.
Birthday, dear Katie!
Thanks.
Happy birthday to you!
Oh, thank you! I know it's really windy, but look at that view. Just got back and everyone is buzzing. Everyone's like, top day on a bike. So we made it. We're at John O'Groats. Oh, it was just the best ride. Just the best ride. Best weather. This is ultimate bliss. Look. Look on the road. I don't know what to do.
What's that?
It makes me cry. This is really